How to factory reset your MAG322 IPTV box. First, you need to disconnect the power from your MAG322 box. After a few seconds, you need to reapply the power to your box. But almost immediately when you do so, press and hold the menu button on your MAG remote control. Do not release this button. This is the button on the remote control that you need to press. After a few seconds, the BIOS menu should appear on the screen. Now you can release the button on the remote control. Navigate down to the default settings on the screen and press the right button to access the menu. Press OK to save the defaults, then navigate down to exit and reboot and press OK. Press OK again and your box will start to reboot with the default settings.